Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have this coming week. This coming week has a lot of great trading potentials, like a lot of great trading opportunities with great risk to reward ratios. So stick with us until the end to find out what exactly opportunities you have for this coming week. But before we get into all that, let me tell you about the Black Friday offer. As you know, every Black Friday, we do take students that want to level up their trading. And this Black Friday, we are giving a 45% discount offer for lifetime mentorship and training. Obviously, with this, you'll actually be learning everything from what is Forex, trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading psychology, and how to trade pro firms. And all that, on top of all that, you get free lifetime signals. Imagine that. So you can still be earning as you learn. So get ready. It has already started. We have already started enrolling students this weekend, as you can see, from the 16th. The offer lasts until the 1st of December, where the training actually starts. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contacts are always available on my Telegram, and the link to my free Telegram is actually linked in the description. So feel free to hit me up for more details on this. Now, let's get back to the video. So for this coming week, we do have a lot of potential trading opportunities, as I just said. The first potential trading opportunities we have are on the US dollar currency index. As we can see here, the dollar has failed to break above this resistance structure. So obviously, I'll be looking for prices to break below this low to actually confirm a bearish trend has begun. A lot of people last week were actually caught in this move right here. People believed that prices will actually create a double top and then break and then continue selling, but then prices reached here and then bounced off the structure. That's the reason you have to be patient as a trader, to wait for structures to be broken so that you can actually find potential and worthy trades to take. Now, for the dollar, I'm going to be waiting for prices to actually break below this trend line and support structure before I actually execute and take a trade. So that's what I'm really waiting for on the dollar. Once prices break below here, then I'll be looking for that sell setup. Obviously, we do understand how the US dollar impacts the other currency pairs, such as EURUSD, which is inversely correlated to the US dollar. Now, with EURUSD, once the dollar is selling, EURUSD will obviously be buying because it's inversely correlated to it. So I'll be looking for the break of this structure right here. Once we get that, then I actually believe that we'll be onto something with EURUSD. A break above that will actually give us a confirmation for prices to keep on taking off and pumping higher. With GU, prices haven't really yet confirmed. I did give this indication for prices to continue selling last week, but we didn't unfortunately get an entry signal, but prices did go according to how our bias was. Now, back to the topic at hand, prices in GU are still in a bearish trend. So for us to take a trade, we have to see a complete shift in trend, a break above these highs here, this high in particular, a retest and then a continuation. Before that, you might get a trade, but then it'll be a very, very, very high risk setup. And why take a high risk setup while you can get a conservative and actually protect your capital? Because as a trader, your primary objective is to protect your investment. Making money is secondary. Now, if you take an aggressive, risky entry, then your primary objective, I'll say, is to actually make money, which it's all wrong. So GU, I'll be waiting for prices to break above that, then we'll be looking for trades. We have gold. I'll save gold for last. Now let's talk about JPYX. With JPYX, last week I was watching this as this right here was forming. I was like, okay, prices have already broken above here, gave us a retest. I do believe prices might actually go ahead and hit these highs, which it did. And it was crazy watching it live, guys. It was crazy. But unfortunately, I wasn't taking this trade because now before I take a trade, I have to first get the confirmation from the daily. And the daily didn't confirm yet. But right now, after this crazy impulsive move, we do have a confirmation from the daily. Now, so the JPYX, I'm bullish biased. Now, right now, you can see here prices have already broken above these highs. What I'm looking for is a continuation from somewhere here, if we do get a confirmation, or if prices actually retrace until somewhere here before they actually take off. Both of these two scenarios are actually very possible to play out. So I'm just looking out to see where will I get a confirmation. If a confirmation appears here, I'm taking my trade. If a confirmation appears somewhere here, I'm taking my trade. So JPYX this coming week, overall, I'm bullish biased. How will this be impacting the other currency pairs? EURJPY, I'm anticipating to see a sell continuation. This is 4 hours. You can see prices have already broken all the lows. Last week, as I was analyzing this, I told you guys, once we get a break below here, a retest, it's a sell confirmation. You can see prices broke below here. We got that retest and the confirmation, and then prices just boom, right? So now prices have actually moved, and now this is our new structure. So from here, what should we be anticipating? We should be anticipating a continuation somewhere here, and then voila. This is what I'm anticipating to see happen on EURJPY. We do have CADJPY. With CADJPY, you can actually see that prices are still have broken below this trend line, but have not yet broken below this 4-hour low. So I'm still a little bit hesitant with it, although I do believe prices will just retest and keep on pushing lower. But prices have not yet confirmed by breaking the most previous low like it has with EURJPY. So I'm very hesitant on taking a trade with this one. Now, so with DXY, the pairs I'll be focusing on is EURUSD, and on JPYX, I'll be focusing on EURJPY. Now let's take a look at gold. With gold, we can obviously see from the daily perspective that prices were losing momentum, came all the way until here. Not much happened. As you can see here, prices failed to continue below this market structure here. So from here, I'm actually anticipating to see some kind of a reaction until prices retest at least these market structures here. So this is where I'm anticipating to see prices pumping. So with gold, that's what I'm anticipating to see happen. Prices become bullish. So from here, let me remove this minor structure. From here, I'm anticipating to see prices actually just take off until somewhere here. So gold, I'm bullish biased for this coming week. Let's see how it plays out. So that's that, guys. Those are my analysis for this coming week. I haven't talked about USDJPY. Oh my God. USDJPY, obviously you can see if you zoom out, prices are still in a bullish trend and have not yet broken below this trend line. See that trend line? Prices have not yet broken above it, below it, excuse me. So right now, I'll be waiting for prices to actually break below it, below the trend line, as this is a structure. So prices just break below here and then give us a retest for us to get a confirmation, a continuation, excuse me, for prices to do something like that. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on USDJPY, guys. Now, if you found this valuable, please consider giving us a like, comment your biggest takeaway. Don't forget to contact me for the Black Friday offer. Link in the description for our free Telegram, where you'll actually find my contact info if you want to contact me directly. So till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Have a great trading week. Cheers.